Welcome back to my channel. Francis Eze here. So today we are going to talk about how you can actually make extra money from Piggyvest aside your normal daily savings. What is Piggyvest actually? Piggyvest is an app which helps you to save a particular amount of money daily, and this action is automated, so you don't have to always do the work yourself. Just set out a certain amount, be it 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira, 10,000 naira, depending on your pocket, and this app helps you to take it away from your bank automatically at each particular time of the day, depending on what you choose. So today I'm going to show you how the 4 extra ways you can make extra money and maximize your money in Piggyvest aside normal daily savings. And those steps, those ways are: 1, Safelock. What is Safelock? Safelock is actually a feature in Piggyvest which allows you to put out a certain amount of money for a certain period of time. Let's say 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. And the number of months you put out this money in this Safelock, the higher the interest you get from Piggyvest. And actually, the last Safelock I did, I got as much as 27,000 naira paid to me upfront. And this interest, you can actually withdraw it immediately after you've done the Safelock. And Safelock gives you this, it gives you between 6 to 13% return per annum. So it's a very wonderful feature which you have to use and make extra money from those daily savings you put in on Piggyvest. Then the next one is Referral. Referral is also a feature that allows you to simply send your referral code to friends to join Piggyvest or to register with them. And once they register with them successfully and start saving with Piggyvest, they give you 1,000 naira, and they also give the person you referred in 1,000 naira free. And I know you may not like to do the whole referral, bring one person that will bring one person and all that, but it's actually very easy. Simply go to your Facebook, your social media handle, Instagram, Twitter, post something about Piggyvest, post about the importance, post how it has actually helped you. Then put in your referral link, and people will click and register through your link, and you make money. Actually, I've made thousands of naira referring people. I actually did a post on my Facebook which people had to call me, ask me questions, and at the end of the day they registered and I made my money. Sweet for 1,000. So imagine when you do it, imagine when you get like 200 persons to register through your link. Even if it takes you 3 months to do that, that's still very good, reasonable amount of money. And the good thing about it is you get your 1,000 naira free, and the person you referred also enjoys the 1,000 naira free for registering. So that's also another wonderful feature. You can actually use that feature to make as much monthly income as possible. Then if you're finding it difficult to craft out content to post, in the description below I'm going to put in a certain content that you can actually copy and paste. Just do little modifications so that everyone that comes to the video don't have to put the exact thing. So just take the draft, do your little editing, and post on your social media handle and start raking in money. Then the next way you can actually make money using Piggyvest is what I call saving dollars. It's a feature on Piggyvest which is saving dollars. How do you make money using this feature? You actually make money in 2 ways. First and foremost, Piggyvest pays you 7% per annum for all the money you saved in dollar on their app. That's one way. Then the second way is you make money through the current naira devaluation and inflation that is happening around. Okay, so and how did that happen? Imagine you saving $1,000 with Piggyvest assets. Let's say now, I think the dollar naira rate is $1 to 580 naira. So and let's say you save 1,000 naira with them, and by December this year, naira goes down, inflation gets up the more, and the dollar goes for like 700 naira. That way, your 1,000 naira, your $1,000 rather costs you 580,000 naira. But by December, you're already having 700,000 naira. And also you get 7%, assuming you save for a whole year. But even if you mustn't save for a whole year for you to enjoy the interest for saving in dollars, you can actually get as much interest as the number of months or the length of time you saved in dollars. Assuming you saved for like 5 months in dollars, you're going to get a fraction of that 7% interest. I hope that's very clear. So the next one is Investify. Piggyvest also have a feature that helps you to invest in very safe investment opportunities out there. Most of them are agro businesses. Some of them have 9 months duration, 6 months duration, 3 months duration, 12 months duration, 21 months duration. And the longer the time for the investment, the more interest you get. Some of them have 10% interest, 18% interest, 20% interest rate, 25%. So it's all about your choice. But oftentimes, people have discovered how safe these investment opportunities are. And before you know what's going on, once an investment opportunity shows up on Piggyvest, it's almost sold out. So don't be surprised when you log into your Piggyvest account trying to access the Investify opportunity, only for you to see that all the opportunities are sold out. It's a common phenomenon with Piggyvest. So the next important thing is your money actually safe with Piggyvest? Yes, I've been investing with Piggyvest since 2018. Or I've been saving with Piggyvest rather since 2018. I've been getting my money anytime I want it. I save. Sometimes I use it to save for house rent, or if I have a project at hand, I use it to save money for those projects. And at each point in time, even last year when there was a little rumor that they had problems, Piggyvest still delivered on their word. Okay, the only thing I've noticed over time was during COVID-19, during the lockdown, the interest rates actually came down from what it used to be due to the fact that there were no much business activities going on. So is Piggyvest actually safe? Yes, it's very, very safe. You get your money at any time you want. And besides, though initially, let me put out this fact so that you understand better. Initially, Piggyvest partnered with 2 microfinance banks, but since 2018, they've been able to register their own microfinance bank, and they are fully licensed and they operate optimally up to this moment without any problems. The Piggyvest is also a registered cooperative body, which is called PiggyTech Cooperative Multipurpose Limited, and all their assets management are licensed and regulated by SEC, which is the Security Exchange Commission. Then also Piggyvest is also insured by NDIC, which is Nigeria Deposit Insurance Corporation, to protect all depositors and deposited funds. So are you still in doubt if Piggyvest is actually safe for you? It's 100% safe. And to capital is also regulated by CBN. Of course, it has to be. There's no way to be regulated by NDIC and also licensed by SEC and not be regulated by CBN. So Piggyvest is actually very safe. Okay, I hope you're getting enough value from this video, and if you've stayed up with me up to this moment, that means you've gotten lots and lots of good value about Piggyvest, and I will indulge you to click that like button, click the red subscribe button, and also click the bell notification icon so that whenever I drop videos on how to make money online, you'll be among the first to be notified. And also, you liking this video and subscribing will also make the algorithm to show this video to many persons like you and I who need information and opportunity on how to make money online. Thank you so much, and see you next time.